check the shelf right now. How many mystery spools do you have? Maybe 50 grams left? I call this ghost inventory. And it is silently killing your margins. This is where version 1.3 comes. The material management, where you can add your filaments inventory over there. So go to material. So over here down you have already listed out so many materials are there. So just click material, whichever you want to stock. So just click on that material. So here you will see the add spool. So just click the add spool. So I already have 2 spools. Let me add another one. ABS. So I will add yellow. Just select your color. So yellow. So how many spools you want to add, how many kgs of each spools are there, you can do it. It will calculate automatically everything. So imagine just I have 5 spools of 1 kg. So it will going to see how many I have. So this is a very good thing you will going to use for your business. And also it's very important to see here. We can see here we are getting some. Here we can see that there are so many warnings are there that your filaments having low stocks. So this is the one of the good thing that you will get to know which material is less. And this is the best feature you will going to get for your business or improve your efficiency.